Good morning, dear students. Today's your theme, articles and determiners. Determiners are words that are used before a noun to determine or indicate whether something specific or particular is being referred to. Some examples of determiners are indefinite articles, an, definite article, the, many, any, one, little, few, much, every, each, and etc. Determiners always come before noun and point out them. For example, in first sentence, many people came to the party. As you see, many stands at the beginning of a sentence. Please give me my book. In this example, our determiner, my, stands before the noun. These trees are so beautiful. In this example, also our determiner stands at the beginning of a sentence. Kinds of determiners. First one is articles, demonstratives, possessive, interrogatives, distributives, and quantifiers. Articles. The indefinite article a is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a unique idea, a university, a gift. As you see in our example, unique, our first letter is vowel, but the sound is consonant. Not as you see, we should write as unique, but our transcription will be unique with the letter Y. An is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a vowel sound. Example, an MP, an hour, an MBA, an honest man, an idea. Uses of a and an. A and an are used to indicate one person or thing that is not specific and particular. For example, she wants to study in a university. He has a 500 rupee note in his pocket. To show a kind, class, or species. For example, a deer is a gentle animal. So deer is a kind of animal. For this reason, we have written here a. To show a certain quantity. For example, I purchased a dozen bananas. To show profession, caste, rank, community, religion of a person. For example, he is a doctor. He treated a Hindu person and a Muslim man. Next one. Uses of definite article the. The is used when we refer to a particular person or thing. For example, the house which you purchased is in a posh colony. When a common noun represents the whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. With the names of unique things, for example, the sky, the moon, the earth. With superlatives, for example, the largest river, the best option. With words like first, third, last, next, only, and same. Example, he is the only son in the family. Sixth one, with the names of rivers, seas, and oceans. Our example, the Brahmaputra, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea. With the names of newspaper, holy books, and scriptures. The Times of India, the Bible, the Vedas, the Upanishads. etc. With the names of directions and mountain ranges, trains, ships, airplanes. For example, the East, the West, the Himalayas, and etc. Ninth one, with the name of whole families and names of countries which have common noun like states and kingdom. For example, the United Kingdom, the United States of America. 10th one, with the names of historical monuments and well-known buildings. For example, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. 11th one, before an adjective when it represents a class. The rich, the underprivileged. 12th rule, to show a unit of measurement. For example, milk is sold by the liter. Before adjectives in the comparative degree. For example, the older you grew, the wiser you became. Our next slide is about omission of articles. Be very attentive and learn all these rules by heart. A and an and the are omitted. First rule. Before proper noun, name of persons, places, countries, cities. Abstract noun and material noun. For example, Virat Kohli is my favorite cricketer. Beauty lies in the eyes of beholders. Cotton is natural fiber. But when proper noun is used as an adjective, article the is used before it. He is the Virat Kohli of our school team. When abstract noun and material noun come in specific or particular sense, the is used. The beauty of Cinderella attracted all. The gold used in this necklace is pure. Next one. Before names of meals. This is our second rule. For example, breakfast is ready. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, we mustn't use the article. But when the meal is specific, then the is used. Before the names of languages, relations, names of days, months, and seasons. For example, Miss Monica teaches us French. Mother has good tasty food for guests. Saturday is holiday. We all wear cotton clothes in summer. So, demonstratives and possessives. Demonstrative adjectives are these, that, these, those are demonstrative determiners which point out a noun. For example, that hill has big rocks and a waterfall. Possessive adjectives, for example, my, your, his, her, their, our are possessive determiners as they determine the possession. For example, he has lost his water bottle. Quantifiers. The determiners tell us about number and quantity. For example, much, many, a few, most, several, none, cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and etc. Little, some, any. For example, I don't have any problem to go with him. Distributive. The determiners that tell about distribution. For example, either, neither, each, every. For example, you can take either of the books. It means you can take this one or that one. Interrogatives. The determiners that help us ask questions are interrogative determiners. We should join to this group. What, whose, how much, how many, and others. For example, how many dresses do you need? So it's the end of our lesson. I hope that everything will be understandable for you. If you have any questions, please, you can find me on my Telegram. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.